Good afternoon, all the attendees. Thank you for registering for this webinar. With me, this is Arbuda Dave, and with me I have Mr. Pradeep Sharma. We are from Business Analytics Consulting team. We also have Ms. Dhwani Mehta and Khanjan with us. They are from the data science team. Mr. Chintan Parekh from the development and architect team, and our founder and CEO, Mr. Karthik Patel. So I'll just hand over to Mr. Karthik Patel and we will begin with the presentations. There are still more attendees joining in. So we will just start with the presentation. So yes, we can just begin. Over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Arbuda. Yeah, welcome everybody. Thank you for your time and hope we will be able to show you, what we have today and that will expand the understanding of how we are offering key influencer analytics in Smarten now. So this is the webinar about the new feature that we have recently launched. It's about key influencer analytics. And as you may know, key influencer analytics is all about focusing on what matters. And today there is a lot of data coming in, and it's important to focus or identify the data which matters for you. And with help of machine learning and other inbuilt algorithms, key influencer analytics precisely helps you to identify those important elements from your data. Just a bit of overview of Smarten. As you know, Smarten is one of the rare platforms which is a combination of traditional as well as modern BI components. So while it provides you data sets and multidimensional cubes and reports, dashboards, cross-tab tabular, geomaps, all these tools to analyze the data of your past, right? And with self-serving 100% browser-based interface. It also provides you advanced analytics components such as self-serve data prep that helps users with no ETL or SQL skills to prepare their data on their own. Assisted predictive modeling that helps business user with no data science background to even create, share, and use predictive models. And clickless analytics or NLP search, that is a context-driven NLP search engine that helps you democratize the use of analytics in your organization. So users just have to ask the question like Google to get the answers to their queries. And now we are introducing this key influencer analytics as well. So instead of ending up having several tools, Smarten offers almost all important traditional and modern BI components into one platform. So you will end up managing licensing and application for one platform, and it will give you homogeneous one interface for all the tools within Smarten. So that's a bit about Smarten. Now, key influencer analytics, which is the highlight of the topic today. Now, as we know, I mean, we all have lots of data coming from various data sources, your ERP, your CRM, your portals, your other Excel files, CSV files, and other sources that you may have. And when you are analyzing data, you typically end up with few tens or maybe 100, 200 columns in your data set. So it's really important to, I mean, you can use that for reports and stuff, but it's really important to identify or understand what affects your target variable, right? So say, let's take an example of sales data that you may have. And you may have various fields like, say, product category, region, sales quantity, sales price, discount, competitor sales, and a lot of other columns in that data. Now, when you run key influencer analytics, first of all, you don't need to have any experience of machine learning or any predictive analytics or data science algorithm. It will help you identify the important target itself. So it can perhaps tell you that gross sales is the most important column. And then it will also give you the importance of these influencers. Say, discount has the highest influence on your sales and CT has the lowest influence on your sales. So discount is the element which you should focus more on while you are analyzing and slicing and dicing and doing other things to analyze effect on your sales. And same way, it also gives you positive and negative impact of the predictor variables on your target. So say, for example, if discount goes up, your sales goes up, and if your competitor sold sales goes up, your sales goes down. So that means your overall market share is not increasing, but it's moving, or overall market is not expanding, but it is running in parity with your competitor sales. So this sort of inference is the impact and relationship of your influencers with target is shown visually. So when you feed a data set to smart and key influencer analytics, it identifies the feature importance, which columns are important in your data set using machine learning algorithms. It auto recommends you the influencers as well, which affects your target. Of course, you can manually change it if you want to. It shows the influencers with impact on your target, so you know which influencers affect the most and if they are affecting positively or negatively to your target. It gives you a very interactive view to give you the visualization for this impact analysis of various influencers with your target, with some other standard measure statistics and stuff. And it also gives you the interpretation in simple English language generation. So it interprets all the insights and presents you with simple English language narrative. So that helps you understand the model and the insights given by the model from key influencer analytics perspective. So this is a brief. It's all about focusing on what matters, and key influencer analytics precisely helps you for that. So I'll hand it over now to Pradeep. Will rather than just speaking on presentation, we will take you through actual tool, and we will take a couple of use cases and show you in action how it works. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So I'll be walking you through the actual tool. Let me share the screen. So here I'm on the login page of Smarten. And I have logged in, and it covers the entire data journey from connection to various data sources to preparations, visualizations, and model and predict. In today's sessions, it is focused on key influencer analytics. So we'll take a use case, couple of use cases. So first one I'm picking up is predicting the medical cost. So, example, we have this data. So I'm just showing one data set. So where we have this candidates or applicants, different attributes here: age, sex, BMI, number of children, smoking status, and region they are coming from, and medical charges incurred. So this is say our past data, and using that we want to predict the medical charges based on multiple attributes. And this is not a hard-coded template. You may have many other attributes other than this also. And Smarten is quite a flexible tool, so it will help you identify what are the predictors, important factors impacting your targets. So I'll directly go to Smarten Insight, which is our assisted predictive modeling engine. And we are choosing our data set. And it's a guided journey in a way that it helps into sample to run it on sample data, full data. You can also apply filters. You can also handle the outliers, and you can also handle the missing values, etc. So it assists in the every steps in building the predictive model. So here in our case, this is predicting the medical cost. We are using regression. So this is the broader level technique. And once we click here, we can see that it is asking us to find out the predictive predictors on its own. So which is a very, very daunting task in the data science domain. So here it automatically analyze whatever the available data is there in the data set. It finds the strong association between all this data, and it automatically picks up this right target and predictors for that. And that is also you can also choose any other target, and it will also identify the predictors for that. So every step there is a flexibility offered to the users, and all this mathematical works and finding the right algorithms, finding those features in the algorithms, etc., is done by Smarten. So here it has picked up the target, we can see, and for this target it identifies these are the predictors impacting the most to this target. And since this is not a hard-coded kind of template, we can see here. So based on my data, I can also choose additional attributes. I can drop certain attributes, and so I have selected this. Automatically, a lot of features are selected. Now I'm applying here to find out the influencer importance. So not only just columns which is important, like features which is affecting, or predictors which is affecting, it also ranks them in orders of importance here. So we can see here, and we can also see the relationship here. For example, age is increasing, and then cost is also increasing. So that is a positive relationship. If any data has negative relationship, it will be highlighted by red color, and the others is neutral. Now this is the broader level feature identifications and its ranking, but in-depth analytics we can find out in key influencer analysis. So I have chosen here, and I move to next. And now it will give us the in-depth analysis, and a lot of reports and interpretations would be prepared automatically. So here we are at key influencer analytics window, and here these are all this our predictors. So example, I'm choosing age as an example. We can choose any predictors here, and we can have a deep dive, ready analytics, ready insight here. So I selected age, and we can see here, this is a various buckets of age, and we can see it is not much impacting till this age, and beyond 44, it is drastically increasing, and for 60 above, it is quite high. So these are the odd ratio actually. So likelihood of medical cost increasing. So those chances are presented here. And this also gives us the breakdown in each age category. So for example, in 44 to 48 here, we can see that this green color is the range of this medical charges, which is actually most contributing, or having the most value here. So we can see this easy intuitive analytics. Then here, apart from this various age buckets, we can also find out a particular buckets for this medical charges, and we can also analyze that. I'm just choosing right now all this buckets of medical charges. So entire data is here, and I click here in interpretation, and I open it and maximize that, and we can see that it has provided this ready insight that of the age buckets which are impacting the most. So here we can find out this age buckets here, which is a statistically significant association with medical charges, and the other age buckets are also available here. Here in this section, we can see the average medical charges by age. So we can see here in 64, this bucket, it is highest, and we can see this coefficient for each age bucket here. It is quite high here, beyond 44, and it also auto identifies that age buckets which is having positive impact and negative impact, etc., is available, and it also gives us the ready upper bound, lower bound, distribution of the data, what percentage of data is there in each bucket, and this count of that. So this is one case of key influencer analytics, and let's close this window, and I just move next, and it will now prepare the predictive analytics also. So going beyond just feature selection, it will also select the right algorithms, It will provide the interpretations and technical interpretations, user-friendly interpretations, and you can apply that data. So, which is not the scope of today's webinar, but I'll just give a very high-level outline of that. So right now it is searching the best fit algorithms. So all this work, mathematical works or data scientists work of choosing the right algorithms, right techniques, uh, right features, etc., is taken care by Smarten, so that users just can focus on the data, and it helps this finding insight very quickly. So it is working on that, recommending the best fit algorithms here. And apart from that, there are many other supported visualizations are there while it prepares this predictive model. So here it automatically selects this, gradient boosting algorithms, and it shows that, adjusted R-square value. User just, focus on the smiley. If smiley is good, that means data and algorithm treatment is quite good. So in depth, there are a lot of things available here, and we have covered such, webinars in past also, and we'll be doing that in future. And here I'm just giving a broader outline. So here it shows this interpretations and technical summary. Also, it provides all this technical summary that data scientists may need. And let me show you directly the apply. So how you can use this. So say any applications that you receive, say a candidate coming from Southwest region, is a male smoker, and age is example 41, number of children is 2, and BMI is 33. So these are the known things, and what we don't know is medical charges, and for that Smarten will help us. And once we apply that, and it will analyze based on this algorithm it has selected, and based on the relationship, so it identifies that this much is the medical charges is suitable for this profile. So it provides this entire predictive model. So not only just finding the relationship between the data, but entire journey in each and every step it is assisting the users. Let's take another example. So the another example is of customer churn, where so this is the model. So I'm not repeating all this steps. So let me show you the model. So this is the model wherein we are identifying, or we want to find out customer churn. So in my data, customer churn is there, and then other parameters like contract, what is the tenure, what is product they are using, etc. All these things are there. So from that data, it has identified, say all this data universe is here, and from that it has identified contract, online security, product domain, product segment, tech support, tenure, and internet services, etc. So, and once we select this, and then we can directly go to key influencer analytics. So it has identified those predictors. Now we can do deep dive into this, association between the data and target. So here, these are the attributes, and let me choose one of them, as example, tenor. So once I select that, it actually provides me the entire range of tenor, and we can see, so this is, we are identifying for customer churn. Yes, so these customers who are moving away from the company. So we can see that from buckets 1 to 8 to 22 months period, we are losing the customers, and out of that, up to 1 to 8 is the prominent segment where till 8 months we are losing most customers. So for this in this example, and similarly, it is dropping. This customer living, this ratio is dropping here. Now we can see that by clicking here, say for customer churn status, no. That means like we are looking at the perspective from the perspective of customer loyalty. So we can see that till 22 months they are dropping, and from 22 to 29, from that months onwards, we are there are chances to get, customer loyalty. They are staying with the company, and it is quite high in, 65 months and above segment. And for each month segments here, we can see customer living, customer staying and living, this, bifurcation here available. Now, let's go to this insight, deep insight interpretation report. This is prepared automatically. And here at top, we can see, so this tenor buckets are having strong association with customers churn status no. So these are the loyal, customer, these are the segments wherein customer is remaining loyal. And this is the segment where customers are moving away. So it also jot down, or it also provides those insights readily available. And here in this table, it shows that what is the average period. So, customer staying loyal, average period is 37 months around, and customer moving away is average period is 17 months. Similarly, it gives mean, max, and other parameters here. And here in odds ratio, it provides this entire table, and we can see for customer moving away, these are the odds actually. So in 1 to 8, it is highest, and in customer staying loyal, it is like in 65 to 72 months, it is highest. And it also finds out those, important data points. Here you can see which segment, which tenor bucket is impacting in customer yes and no, customer churn yes and no segment. And here we can see the entire distribution of this data. So this is, in-depth analytics provided by Key Influencer Analytics. And apart from that, it gives us these supported visualizations and other things. It also gives us a simulation here. So we can play with this data and can see in what kind of, customer profile, what results we are getting. So say example here, customer, it shows that, for this parameters, customer is staying loyal. And say example, I'm reducing the tenor here, and we can see in this case, customers will move, likely to move actually. So similarly, many other things are there, like, you can prepare this model and entirely it has selected this model, and you can choose the other model also, but overall it does this entire work on its own. So that is the a high level overview of influencer analytics. And yeah, and please feel free if you have any questions, so you can put that in question answer session here. So we have now looked at 2 use cases and key influencer analytics. And yeah, if anyone has any question, please feel free to ask.
Yeah, users can, all the attendees, you can put your question in the Q&A section, and we will try to answer all those questions.
Okay, so
there is one question. Is ANOVA also included in it? Analysis of
Yes.
variance.
Yeah, ANOVA was included in influencer analytics for hypothesize which let's say we get age buckets for medical charges. So ANOVA will help us to find out relationship between age buckets and the medical charges. So yes, ANOVA was
Yeah,
used
so
in
one
it.
of the algorithm used underlying stack is ANOVA as well. Yeah, apart from other algorithms.
There is another question. Can you show how a model can be exposed as API?
Yeah, so I'm assuming that the question is related to using that algorithms to embed in the other applications. So we are offering this industry standard APIs are there. So not only this
So
model
there are APIs
output.
to embed model content as well and to query a model as well. So that API is available and you can use it from your any other third-party applications or app that you may want to use it for.
Another
Yeah.
question is, how is this connecting to data source?
Yeah, I mean, the first screen that Pradeep showed was a training data set, and training data set, for example, or any other data set that can be that can fetch data from any data sources. We have the ready connector with many systems, including CSV, XML, web services, databases like SQL Server, MySQL, Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery. Yeah, Pradeep is just showing that screen, including the connectivity with Hive and Hadoop data, HDFS and other as well. So there are plenty connectors which are already available, and yeah, you can connect data from various sources. You can do mashup and joins, and we have in fact many videos of our self-serve data prep on our website. You can have a look at it to understand the data source connectivity and mashup blending and other capabilities tool has. Yeah.
Thank you, Deepak ji. I hope we have addressed your question. What about data privacy, as I assume this is on cloud?
Yeah, so
You have both the models available. I mean, we have first of all implemented industry standard application security standards. We have also got certification from CERT-In, which is Indian government's highest application security standard. And as far as the offering of Smartn is concerned, you can install it on your private cloud or your on-premise or on any public cloud such as Amazon AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud as well. So you have the options to control where and how your data should reside.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak. Thank you. Hope we have addressed your question.
Any other questions, or you wish to see any specific feature in detail? Yeah, you are most welcome. And if you are just keeping notes and you want to raise that in any one-on-one session later on, you can always email us and we would be happy to have a one-on-one session with you guys. And yeah, please visit our website www.smartn.com. There are many videos and other past webinars recording you will find there. You can also have a look at our support community and content portal. There are lots of interesting articles and content available as well. And yes, you are most welcome to explore all these options we have. Any other questions from anyone? We still have maybe 3 more minutes.
Yes.
Or if you want to have any questions on specific use case for your data or your organization or your industry, please let us know. We have a lot of demo examples available for various use cases, and we can have that in one-on-one session with you as well. Okay, so I guess we have been able to address the questions you all had. And yes, as I said, please feel free to contact us via email or any of our social media handles. We will be happy to answer your queries. And thank you everybody for your time today. And we wish you can explore this key influencer analytics and other features and expand the usage and take up of analytics in your organization. Wishing you all the best, and we are here to help you. Thank you for your time again, and looking forward to see you in another webinar. Thank you for your time.
Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you.